buttery baby potatoes are one of the most popular snacks at Korean highway rest stops. They are sweet, salty, buttery, and so hard to stop eating once you start. Today, I will show you how to make easy Korean rest stop style butter potatoes at home. First, wash the baby potatoes well. Cut the potatoes in half. They are sometimes made without the skin, but today we will keep the skin on to make things easier. Instead, cutting them in half helps the sweet and salty flavor soak in better and cook faster. Add the potatoes to a pot. Pour in 1 cup of water, then add 1 teaspoon salt and 2 tablespoons sugar. As the potatoes cook, the sweet and salty flavor gently soaks into them, creating that classic Korean rest stop potato taste. Cover with a lid and cook over medium-high heat. This helps the potatoes become soft and tender inside while absorbing the flavor. Once most of the water has cooked down, transfer the potatoes to a pan. This is when the kitchen starts smelling really amazing. Add about 2 tablespoons of butter and slowly cook over medium-low heat. Once the buttery aroma fills the pan, it really starts to feel like a Korean highway rest stop snack. Cook until all sides are nicely golden brown. You don't need to flip them too often. Finally, sprinkle a little parsley on top and it's done. The outside is lightly chewy and the inside is soft and fluffy, making them incredibly hard to resist. These buttery potatoes are one of the classic snacks you will find in Korean highway rest stops. At Korean highway rest stops, they are often served in paper cups for an easy snack on the go. And the best part is, they are surprisingly easy to make at home too.